हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू? आई होप कि आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे. आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन योर क्वेरीज गाइस बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग सम मैसेज फ्रॉम यू गाइस. कैन यू मेक वीडियो इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो? सो इफ यू विल मेक वीडियो इन इंग्लिश, it would be the better for me to get to understand easily. So after that I decided I should make video on English also. So if I will talk about my English language guys, I am not little bit comfortable while I am speaking English in front of anyone because I am not habituated with this English language nowadays. Because also I didn't get chance to speak in front of anyone. This is the main reason guys. Already you know English, any language, if you will speak more and more, then you are going to grab on that language easily. So this is the main fund of learning any language. But if I will talk about my college time, I had done lots of work on that English language for speaking easily. So because at that time you know you had the compulsion for learn English language, because if you want to get a job in through campus placement, you first of all you have to focus on communication skills, then after that anything, because already you know in campus which types of company you are going to face. Only one IT company and any so you should have the good communication skills at that time. So at that time also I had learned this language, and also I had done lots of work on that language for getting some good communication skills. But nowadays guys, after that I took enroll myself in only one preparation mode, and also I gave one to two to three interview. But this interview depends upon me, in which language you want to give, just depend upon you. So that times I don't have that much pressure for me speak fluently in front of interviewer. But nowadays guys I am getting continuously message from you guys ki please make video in English. Also I am getting lots of message in comment section also. So then after that I decided I should make video in English also. So guys, first of all I want to tell you, if I make any mistake guys in front of you, please don't mind, because if I will make video continuously, automatically I am going to get my rhythm what I was speaking previously guys. Okay. And also guys, also I am not uploading video on regular basis because of many reason guys. But this times I enroll myself in business also, because in already you know COVID situation, it's a big problem for everyone, not me only, for everyone. So I enroll myself in business also. So that's why I didn't get that much time. But guys I took resolution for myself I should also be in regular in this video also, because I had spent lots of time in preparation also, and also getting good rank also. I got 12 to 1300 ranks, but my main agenda was only one PSU, and I don't want to enroll myself in MTech, because I don't want to, this is the from my beginning, you know, I don't want to go in any one college. This is the main reason. But unfortunately guys I could not able to fetch under 100. So I can get a PSU job. But guys I never say ki those who got good up to rank 1500 had the good knowledge and don't have the good knowledge about any subject. They had the knowledge, but at that time he has not able to recall all those concepts in examination hall. This is the main things guys. Also same thing happened with me also. I already had told you in some videos previously all those things about me. But guys, if I would get a chance to speak in front of you, then I will try to make separate video for my preparation strategy, what types of problem I was going through when I was preparing in Delhi. So I will try to clear all those things in those video. But in this video guys, I want to tell you I had lots of plan for you guys. If you also I had decided what I had learned in 3 to 4 years in any college, in coaching, and also in any from any one examination. So I should represent all those things in video also. So I had planned for you. So please tell me कि should I make video in English also or not. Also I'm getting lots of messages from you guys in comment section. So I always try to reply you when I was getting time for replying this message. So if you have any query guys, please comment in comment section, and also if you like this video, please share with your friends, and also subscribe this channel, so I would get motivated if you will support me guys. I want to be motivated I would motivated only one if you will support me. This is the main agenda of making video. If you didn't support me, then it is very difficult for me to making video again and again. So please guys, share and with your friends, and also tell. Also I had lots of plan guys. What I learned, I want to deliver all those things, because 3 to 4 years is a long period of time, you know. I want to be in myself in education sector also. What I have learned in my past time, I want to help you from this experience. Also I had faced lots of problem guys. I will tell you in separate video, but this times I want to get some suggestion from you guys. So please comment in comment section. Also guys, please share with your friends, and also subscribe this channel. So okay, so just I'm waiting for your comment guys. Just to do comment in a comment section, so I would get some feedback from you guys. Okay, तो फिर चलिए, फिर एक चीज़ गाइस, मैं एक चीज़ आप लोगों के लिए ये चीज़ हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत सारे लोग मुझे मैसेज पर्सनली करते हैं, भैया इस तरह की मुझे फिनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम है। देखो भाई, प्रॉब्लम तो मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा फेस किया हूँ लाइफ में, अपनी लाइफ में अभी भी कर रहा हूँ। मैं कोई स्टेबल नहीं हो गया हूँ ऐसा कुछ। मैं बिजनेस अपना आपको इन्वॉल्व किया हूँ बिजनेस में, और साथ में मैं और भी बहुत सारा काम करता हूँ, बताऊँगा, और मैं बताया भी ऑलरेडी हूँ। तो देखो गाइस, एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि एक द्वार अगर बंद होती है ना, तो हज़ारों द्वार खुल जाती है। ठीक है, ये मैं बहुत पहले से सुनते आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये फिक्स है। लेकिन ये द्वार खोलना आपको आनी चाहिए। ठीक है, ये द्वार लेकिन आपको ऐसा खुल के नहीं आएगी आज के ज़माने में, कि आपको खुद उस पर फोकस करना पड़ेगा, कौन से दरवाजे जैसे मुझे गुजरने हैं। ठीक है, तो मैं इस चीज़ को हिंदी में बोला क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हिंदी में ही हूँ, तो यही मेन रीज़न है। बट मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं बाई लैंग्वेज मतलब हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में बनाऊँ वीडियो, जो आपको लोगों के लिए, जो लोग हिंदी जानते हैं उनके लिए हिंदी में हो जाए, जो लोग इंग्लिश जानते हैं उनके लिए इंग्लिश में हो जाए। तो प्लीज़ गाइस, ये ही मेरी आप लोगों से है। और एक चीज़ और, कि जो चीज़ मैंने सीखा हो ना गाइस, मैं आप लोगों के साथ इस चीज़ को मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। तो प्लीज़ आप लोग इस वीडियो को फैलाइए, दोस्तों को बताइए कि इस तरह की यहाँ पे है, जिससे मुझे भी मोटिवेशन मिलेगी कि मैं यार जो भी कर रहा हूँ वो अच्छा कर रहा हूँ। और हमेशा से मेरी ये नेचर है कि मैं हेल्प दूसरे के लिए मैं कुछ हेल्प कर पाऊँ। तो यही चीज़ है मेरी, जो मुझे एक अच्छी प्लेटफॉर्म मिली। तो प्लीज़ बताना आप लोग किस तरह से आप लोगों को ये चीज़ जो मैं बोला हूँ लग रहा है। और मैं बहुत सारा सोचा हूँ चीज़। अब मैं अपना आप से वादा किया हूँ कि मैं इसमें हमेशा टच रहूँगा, इस एजुकेशन जो भी एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री से जो भी मुझे नॉलेज है, मैं हर चीज़ को शेयर, चाहे जब भी मुझे टाइम मिले, मैं कुछ टाइम मिले, मैं उस चीज़ के लिए प्रीफर कर दूँगा। ठीक है गाइस, तो प्लीज़ आप लोग फैलाइए और बताइए किस तरह से कमेंट सेक्शन में हम आपका वेट कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, चलिए फिर तब तक के लिए बाय, मिलते हैं फिर अगले वीडियो में। ठीक है, बाय बाय, थैंक यू।